Good morning, everyone. How are you? Are they all parents? Okay, so let's. This is the mother of the lady. How are you, madam? We're here for you. Here.
Yes.
So
you can come in.
okay.
The father is in.
Okay.
Sorry, please. I don't know if they can hold.
Yes.
We're having
No. They can't hold on. This is already out there. Nigerians want to know the.
So this is the head of school, the
Okay.
British International School. Good morning. You can come
Thank you, Oga. How are you?
Sorry, excuse me, please.
Thank you.
Excuse me, please. Excuse me, please. Excuse me, please. Sorry. Can we give-
Good morning.
Honorable Minister of State for Education, please, you can. But we don't have.
Hello, good morning.
Hold on.
Oga, how are you?
No, we have to get to say we don't want to.
No. Oga, I'm sorry. This is already in public space. It is already in public space. If not, I wouldn't have been here.
That's right.
If they don't want me to come and they don't want camera, let things stop happening.
Please, just
I'm sorry, sir.
You
Please.
you can.
How are you?
I'm fine. So, before you came in,
Hmm.
we have the parents of the students in that video sitting here. So this is the parent of of the lady that was slapped, the victim. You met the mother outside.
Sorry, sir. It's good
This
to
is
meet
the senior
you.
brother
Sorry.
and some members of their family.
Where is the senior brother? He?
No, him sitting down.
Okay, to the man.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. And also we have some members of the school PTA, the school executive. Then some of the other people that were cited in the videos, their families are here. So first, we have heard from the parents of the child that was bullied. He has made his stance known, and the school aligns with it. But however, if we all leave this place without understanding what actually happened, what actually transpired, we will leave and this matter will be up there without it being nipped at the bud. So what we have been doing in the last 2-3 hours was to hear from all the students what actually happened and the role they played in this issue. It happened just yesterday.
I saw it yesterday night.
So it went viral yesterday. So the school has been up. This is the PTA rep for secondary, Hajia Boyi, and we have the PTA vice chairman and also the school SMT members. So just to give you an update of what it is, the family of because two people were involved in that slap stuff. The family of one of them is not here, while the family of the second one, they are here. They are totally against what has happened.
What the boy did.
Yes, and what the
girl
did, and they have submitted to whatever decisive action that the school takes, and we've all aligned as family. What we are doing is to further understand beyond taking a decision, because he has already told us what his position, what he wants, and we are okay with that. But beyond that,
I said, you've only spoken about the female own. Daniel's own has to be brought to the board. This is Daniel's own. No, this is my son. I won't accept it.
Definitely.
I was supposed to go back to Calabar today,
supported.
but I can't. I cannot
The
go
in
back.
the same school?
Yeah.
See him there.
What's
He's
going on
outside.
now? What's going on?
People called me. See my son.
They seal up
That's my son.
supermarkets now. Schools can equally be sealed up. If this should be happening, because the next thing you get, the person is dead. We've heard it before now. So that's why I rushed to this place.
Before now, let it not look. This school has been in existence for over 10 years. We are parents too. My children, I have 4 boys in this school, and they've been here for the last 8 to 9 years.
Maybe they were not reporting. Because you just can't start all of a sudden.
The point I want to make, is that, sorry, sir. The point I want to make is that the school has a record of taking decisive action against this kind of a thing. We have investigated
this last video that was shown to you. The child that was involved
was expelled.
Let me, excuse me, sir. It's not issue of expelling the children. It's issue of school making it impossible for children to behave like that. There are ways you will bring up the kids and lay your rules. Are you understanding my point? And the children will not be able to do that. So the fault is not just that of the children. The school is equally at fault. The school, let me tell you, when a child misbehaves in the home, and when there's something they call juvenile delinquency, when a child has that insanity of juvenile delinquency, it is the duty of the parents to realign that child and make the child realize himself. For any reason you don't do that and that child becomes bad, you have 80% of responsibility on that issue. So I give the school 80% responsibility for this act before the child.
And in fact,
That's the
in my
point.
opening statement to you, I said from early years, they started their education here. Early years to nursery, primary, and in senior secondary school. And they are all day. From school, they are at home. My children don't even go out. So if they pick any bad habit, it must be here.
From school.
It must be in the school.
That's why they said children even respect teachers first before their parents. Because they spend most of their time in school. So the school is, and if no action is taken for school to realize themselves, this thing will continue. Now I have come here, and action must be taken. That's the point.
Yes. So
No, against you, against the school. Action must be taken against the school.
so ma'am, yes.
What is that?
I have just one issue.
Yes.
For me,
Yes.
how can it be possible that in this kind of school where we have our kids, that this bullying will be taking place? It will not be detected on CCTV. It is social media that will now alert us.
Imagine.
So,
It's
so,
not
so
that.
can I answer your question, please? Because
Where is the principal of the school or
this
the
is the head of school.
you are the head of
I
school?
introduced you to.
Okay, you failed Nigerians. I'm sorry to tell you this. You failed. Let me tell you, I owned the school before I became a minister. You don't bully in that school. You try it. Not even a teacher can bully a student. Because sometimes you tell students, call teacher auntie, call this. These are part of what leads to bullying by the teachers. You make them get scared. You don't give children voice to speak out. So you have your own responsibility. And everybody will pay a price for this crime committed. I wouldn't have come here if not.
So
That's another point he made.
I wanted to answer your question. So these children, all of them, what you saw happened in the areas where there was no CCTV. They decided, they knew, so the children know the school, they know how to cut. So it's not like we are not on this matter. The children know the school. They went to the old talk shop, and when they were done from there, they went to the cafeteria. So it's not that the school has CCTV everywhere.
And this is the way they would have just killed a student, and that would be the end of the matter.
Excuse me. What is the use of CCTV?
CCTV is, like we all know, is to capture events so that we can surveillance.
So any part of the school must have cover.
Yes.
Then why is it that some parts are not covered?
This cafeteria.
The cafeteria where children goes there.
I think the person that should be answering this question should be the head, not the PTA chairman. I don't find it. Yeah, the chairman is not supposed to be answering these questions. Are you understanding me? He's the head of the school that should answer all of us. Let us understand what happened.
Actually working together. And this is the PTA, and since this event, started yesterday, all being on it, including the board of directors. So unfortunately, what's happened? It doesn't represent us, it's not part of us. And of course, we've done everything.
Madam, is your son still here?
Yes. We've done everything possible to make sure that bullying is limited, as the case may be. To the extent that every day at the school gate, we check them to every part of it, so that they don't have phones or any control.
Let me tell you the next thing they will do. They will prevent these children from coming in with phone and will not be able to get news again. Are you understanding my
Yes,
point?
but now they
So
say they're
something must
presenting
be.
them not to come with phone. How did somebody come in with phone now?
Well, but we thank God the person came in with phone. How would you have known?
Yes.
And nothing but the truth, right?
Yes. Yes.
The next thing is that we also want the school to also tell us where those positions of CCTV cameras are. That's one. And number two, having CCTV camera is one, and having
Where does it
somebody
show?
monitoring CCTV
Exactly.
camera is
Somebody
another.
watching it all
Who
the
is
time.
monitoring this? We don't have
Who is
kids
monitoring it?
here.
So
We don't
show us
have
the
kids here.
CCTV.
Who is monitoring
Show us the television where it's being monitored.
Who is monitoring it?
There's somebody that's his job description.
Okay,
That
let's
is job
okay. Does he have the clip?
You can roll it back.
She said yes. Yes.
Yes.
Initially, we all have kids here, and we are all talking in the respect of all our children.
If
Because
there's
it happens to
CCTV,
your
you can
child,
roll it
it
back.
will happen to another
That's
person.
your place today. You can roll it back.
So, Oga, what do you have to say about rolling it back for us to see that you actually have captured it?
Sir, madam, what did you say, ma'am?
I said, what did you say about what this our Oga said now? He said if you had a CCTV, it's supposed to to capture what happened yesterday. Can you show it to us? Where your CCTV captured it?
No, that one was not captured.
So, no, I saw one happening in a class.
Shop to the
I
cafeteria.
saw one happening in a class.
Dining hall. It was a dining hall.
So that place, okay, if you were no more using that place, the normal thing, knowing that children, let me explain something to you. Every classroom is supposed to have a sitting teacher. That is the way I did in my school, because so many things even happen when the teachers are in their offices. So there must be somebody. Then even in the toilet, they have a seat where somebody sits, because so many atrocities equally happen in toilets. So if the cafeteria was no more being used, you should have been locking it, knowing that it would be a criminal ground, a ground for crime. Are you understanding me? So at the end of the day, the 80% fault here lies on the school, not the students. So by expelling the students without working on the school, we've not achieved anything.
Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
Are you understanding my point?
We put things in place. We have graffiti artwork on our walls on the way to the hostel. We do paper posters. Even the prefects, when they have talks on the assembly, say no to bullying, even as small as the early years students. They know. See something, say something. That's our slogan. We say it every day. On the way to the hostel, the big graffiti is there. Say no to bullying. We do it.
Madam, if I had sat in my office and start shouting at this school, telling you, lead school, why did you do this? Don't do that. Don't do that. I've achieved nothing. My coming here has a reason. And it's going to equally have a good, significant thing that will happen because I came. And I won't come and leave without the school feeling that I came here today. You must feel me. I said you must feel me. You shouldn't be appreciating me. Oh. You shouldn't be appreciating me. Because you will feel that I left what I was supposed to do to work in here. Definitely. That's why I said that they will feel that I came.
Look at me well.
So,
Yes.
the parents of the child we are talking about is here. He has had his children here for years. So, what has happened yesterday that we are all gathered here today has gained the momentum it gained because of social media.
Yes.
It doesn't mean that this kind of issues have not been happening.
In other places,
No.
right?
If we say other places, even UNESCO identifies bullying as a big problem in schools. But the school have always ensured that this issue does not go unpunished or putting the right measures. That's why we are here. We all work. And we are here because we care for all of our children. The role of the PTA is for the interest of the children, not even the school. So
So why is the girl they bullied?
Please, can someone bring her in?
Because Nigerians are asking. Nigerians will even want to know whether she's still alive or not.
Yes.
That is the point. Nigerians will want to see the girl.
She's here.
Can she also bring her son?
Yes, why not?
I wanted to raise something. The chairman mentioned something that the child who bullied, or the children who bullied my own son were expelled, or was. It wasn't just one person.
That is what.
Okay, so how come this happened and they expelled a child for a crime and I was not even
So,
You
there?
don't expel your child.
Not my
So
own
let
child.
Nigerians,
Sorry, can we?
Nigerians, that is the girl. She's alive. They didn't let me sleep. I kept getting messages. They kept sending me the videos. That's why I had to come here this early. So I want Nigerians to know that today, the Minister of Women Affairs, I'm here, and this is my girl. I want Mr. President to see her, that she's okay, and that everything that will be done must be done to make sure that this never happens again here in this school. How are you? Say hello to Nigerians. I love you, my girl. Okay, I got no more laughing. I've ceased the laugh. Let us go. What action are we taking now? Sorry, woman. Children have died in this process of bullying. We read about the other, so many. And this is just the list because it was only the ones recorded that we saw. Baby, what happened? Because I'm sorry. We're working for Nigerians. This is the new style now in Nigeria. Nothing will be swept under the carpet.
Yesterday morning, Mariam called me that she wants to talk to me about something.
Mariam is one of your students.
Yes. She called me that she wanted to speak to me about something, and we went to the talk shop. When we went to the talk shop, she was asking me questions, and when she started asking me questions, she was slapping me. After that, a staff from talk shop came out, and he asked what happened. And then after he now let us to go, then he took me to the cafeteria by one corner. Then she now started slapping me again with Faigiha. After then it was snacks time, so we now left. I left there. They went to go and sit down right talk shop, and I came back to class.
Has this ever happened before now?
No.
Nobody has ever done that to you before now. Or they've done it to other students.
I believe so.
Where is the girl now?
One is not around.
What about the one that slapped her?
It was two girls.
Two girls, okay.
No, the main one that slapped her.
No, the main one didn't slap her. The male
No, I
one,
said the one that slapped her.
he didn't slap her. The male boy, you can ask
No,
her.
not boy. The girl that slapped her.
She's the one is not around.
One not in school. Why won't the parents bring her? No, the school should make sure that they are here.
Have just parents and those of us that are
Yes.
members.
Why yes? No.
No.
Nigerian
Let everybody know.
It's not closed because
That we try.
You are hiding something.
Don't hide anything. Don't hide anything.
sorry, please. I'm speaking to the. Excuse me, I'm speaking.
Listen to me. What I am here is to represent Nigeria concerning this girl and what it concerns all parents. Make that decision of knowing who stays and who stays. But as far as I'm here, let us decide how are we going to sort this issue out concerning this girl and what she has gone through. Which, like I said, the 80% fault is not this school.
So this has already.
So take a
This
decision.
has already.
No, expelling the child. How can you expel the child and the school will be relaxed and nothing happens? No. Are you understanding? No, there must be a price. The school must pay a price for this. So that next time you will be more careful for it not to happen. Yes?
I think for decisions that other sides. I think.
No, he has to get you. Are you not part of this school?
I'm not part of this.
Okay, are you a parent?
Yes, I'm a parent.
Okay.
I think for any disciplinary measure will be taken between the school and government should be either you invite them to the office that properly. So this after investigation, so that you will have on account of first hand you have come to see. So if the panel takes a decision, they must inform you.
Okay.
And then you will say that rightly this is what because you came here
and it was carried out.
Yeah.
Because even the father had told us what his position was. But we had to
And all the parents,
we had to keep
And what is the father's position? Let's hear from him. Let's hear from him. Because Nigerians want to know what he has decided to do.
I gave them 48 hours to take a decisive decision against the perpetrators of this act. That is one. Secondly, my daughter will not be in the same school, the same class with these children.
Exactly.
And the 48 hours I gave them, I said, if that has not happened, I am going to go further to make sure my daughter gets justice.
Definitely supported. And Federal Minister of Women Affairs, we are backing you. We are backing you.
For record purpose, as a parent to one of their accomplices, we are bound by whatever.
No, then what about the school?
No, I'm not saying as a parent.
What about the school? The parent has said something. Okay, listen, thank you so much. What you said, I'm sure they will do it. Against the school?
Not you, ma'am. I'm talking to you.
No. We just spoke about the children. What about the school? What about the school? What about the school? What about the school? Because this girl is supposed to get justice from the school and justice from those children that bullied
So
her.
many other complaints from this same school. So many evidence. So many evidence.
What about the
This was
school?
the first time this is happening. First
Oga
time
parents, what about the school? You've not said what will happen to the school and the heads.
This is the head of the school. You are taking the truth.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's the truth.
so the reason why I am very, very vocal is because
I think you should say something.
I have a knowledge.
You said what?
Yeah.
You are supposed to be the one
Hello,
talking on
sir.
behalf of the
Hello,
school.
Yes. Definitely.
Hello, sir. The reason why I am very, very vocal is because I have an unbiased responsibility to balance everything that is happening.
No, but he's supposed to be defending himself, being the head of the school. He's equally responsible for what happened. What will the school? Because we can't leave you. We won't leave you to just go free like that. They are not going to go free. Are you understanding my point? We will not leave you to go free like that. Are you understanding? If not, tomorrow the same thing will happen and the children will be the one paying the price. When the school is supposed to curtail this whole menace. Okay, what is it? What justice do you think this girl should get from the school? And no, definitely, that's what they need.
Because look,
That is what they need.
Traumatized, whether you like it or not. As a mother, I didn't sleep last night, ma.
I understand.
My kids are not in this school, but I swear to Almighty God, this school must be shut down today, whether you like it or not. It doesn't matter because you have history of this bullying in this school.
Yes.
How was this?
That is history. There's a small boy that was bullied.
If the school has red points, they will not allow this to happen.
Because you know what
has never been involved. And they've
never.
never.
She would stop there and they'll do the same video. I think that's the one we give her power.
Then you can open the school.
Please come here and talk. Open your mouth and talk.
It's because they are still in business. That is why.
How about the
If they are not in business, ma, they will do the next one, and there will not be any child that will raise his hand against the other child.
No. Oga, I'm sorry. We've heard you. We know how concerned you are. But this is the school. He is the one to speak. This is the school.
We shut down
Yes,
we get justice
For this girl.
We don't want to take nothing to our hand. Yes.
We're a different story.
No. Let her voice out. Let her voice.
Excuse me, sir, because 3 different locations, slapping her. You know, this guy is traumatized. The under for at least 3 days.
The school should be shut down
for 3 days.
until further notice.
Yes.
Until this
And
case
secondly,
has
where is
been
the girl?
handled
Don't
properly.
you have her
Why will
house?
everyone
Let's
be
go
going
to
to
her house.
school like that?
Let's go to her
nothing
house.
happened.
Thank you.
Where is
It's not
her
affecting them. So how will they ensure that another
Wait,
child will not
let me,
another child?
okay, just hold on. I want to ask you something, Oga, please. This thing has come out in the open. Nigerians are very angry.
We
If we
are.
don't take, if we don't look at some of these women.
Please let us talk. Let us express ourselves.
Wait.
She's the only one here that can
Excuse me.
please
Just calm down.
Respect for her.
Thank you.
Yes, please.
Listen,
Don't even look at me and tell me to
some of these mothers don't even have their kids here. They came out of concern. At least in my own case, I have responsibility on the children and their mothers. And I came here based on that. Guys, excuse me, please. Listen, if we don't take a good decision here today, Nigerians will come after the school. It's that bad. So I feel let us close the school now for at least 3 days. Are you understanding me? Go and announce it now. The students should go for 3 days. So that let all these things, so Nigerians will calm down. Are you understanding me?
Madam Honorable
Yes.
Minister, can I please speak? Before you came in, we had Mr. Deji Adeyanju